Hey, what's up everybody? TechFit360 here, and thank you so much for joining me for yet another video review. First, I'd just like to say that I really appreciate each and every one of you. Alright, so today on the channel, I'll be taking a look at a case and band for your Apple Watch. But it's more than just a case. It is a protective case with a touch of style. So if you believe that variety is the spice of life, then check out today's video, because your road to being tech fit starts in
3, 2, 1.
Now, full disclosure, this product was sent out to me for free, but the only reason I decided to do a quick video review is because I actually like the product. I mean, I like the product so well that I am going to go ahead and buy me a couple more. And I have my eyes set on the Apple Watch T Jungo, and for a more luxurious look, I like the Royal X Apple Watch Navigator case. Okay, but getting back to the case of the day, this is the Iron M case. And at the time of this video, it sells for $44.90. I'll leave all of my links in my description, as well as any discount codes that may become available. Okay, now this is the Apple Watch Silver case with a black band and comes with this very attractive hard plastic storage box. I tell you what, it looks a whole lot better than my cardboard Apple Watch box, that's for sure. Now it takes like 2 seconds to install your Apple Watch into this case. Taking an even closer look, it has all the cutouts for your crown, your microphone, your side button speaker, and an opening for expelling water after a swim. Now the raised bezel helps keep the screen safe and protects against damaging the edges. Now there's nothing to remove at the bottom because this case made provisions for direct charging. Now let's go ahead and check out some of the features that stand out to me. First of all, it has an all-around protection case, a stainless steel external with shock absorbent TPU interior. The wristband is made from a custom high performance fluoro elastomer. Well, all I know is tough rubber, okay? It has raised bezels that guard the screen from damaging the edges. It has charging for multiple methods. It has a 1-year warranty and is compatible with your Series 4, Series 5, Series 6, Series 7, and Series 8 44mm and 45mm Apple Watch. Now, if you don't like bulky watches, then you're probably not going to like this one, especially if you have a small wrist. Myself, I don't find it too bulky or heavy. With my Series 8 watch installed, the whole case weighs around 3.8 ounces, which is 1.4 ounces more than my Apple Watch with my Nike watch band. The smart case has bridge syndrome. That's a new one for me. Bridge syndrome. Meaning that you cannot lay this Apple Watch case flat down. You'll either have to lay it on its side, or you'll have to put it on, say, like a Belkin charger like I have right here. All right, so often larger watches tend to feel like there's a weight on my wrist when I type, but I've noticed quite the opposite when typing on my PC. This version of today's video is not one you would want to wear while working out at the gym, but it is perfect for working in the office or for going on date night. And we all have date night. Well, anyway, you guys who are dating, that is. So overall, I enjoy wearing this watch case. Check that out. Look how awesome that looks. When I first slipped it on, it made me feel like I actually bought me an Apple Watch Ultra. You remember that watch? The one that we all wanted, but we had to settle for the watch that we could afford. Yeah, that was me. But what I like about having these different watch cases is that it will look like you have a vast collection of smart watches, especially if you change the smartwatch faces, but only you and I will know otherwise. Well, everybody, I hope you found something useful in today's video. Please be sure to connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos just like this one. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this Apple Watch case. Do you think it enhances the look of your Apple Watch, or do you feel that it looks better without even having the case? Please let me know your thoughts, and I'll leave the product links for these cases in my description so you can go ahead and check it out. Well, everybody, we're approaching 2023. I just want to say thank you for all your support. I hope you and your family have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in my very next video. God bless.